eux, ils n'avaient pas peur, parce qu'ils étaient toujours ensemble. Quand l'un était blessé, l'autre avait mal, comme un seul corps.
Did you have to do any training to portray a French legionnaire?
Yes, we had some preparation for it. We had also 2 foreign legionnaires showing us how to act, how to move during the scene when we was in Afghanistan, and they even told us not to smile too much and things like that. They really helped us to look it like authentical.
And what was it like working with the boy who played your son? Did you build a rapport with him to begin with?
He's actually he's son of my cousin.
Ah.
Yes. And,
so you knew him before?
Of course.
Okay, all right. So there's already a relationship there.
Yes, and it was actually, to work with him, it was at easiest because I know him very well.
Pourquoi avez-vous décidé d'utiliser le petit garçon comme narrateur?
J'ai utilisé le petit garçon comme narrateur parce que pour moi ça permettait, dans l'ouverture du film, puisque c'est là surtout qu'on a sa voix et qu'on va le découvrir après, ça permettait vraiment de mettre les spectateurs dans un climat ou une ambiance vraiment différente et les faire rentrer dans le film de manière très radicale et de les mettre dans un climat un peu étrange.
So Chechen is your native language?
Yes.
And how do you come to speak French?
Well, I had French lessons in the school, but I'm not able really to speak it or anything. I just was able to read. But I learned the text by mind, and first of all, I became the translation of our scenario, and so I learned it by mind. I wrote down how I hear it, and somehow it worked out.
And there are actually 2 good men in this film. Which does the title refer to?
Chacun est un grand homme. Même le petit garçon est un grand homme. Évidemment, le grand homme, c'est aussi... Bon, l'histoire, au bout d'un moment, se focalise sur le personnage de Hamilton, qui est joué par Jérémy Régnier. Mais justement, ce grand homme n'existe ou ne peut être un grand homme que parce qu'il est entouré par ces 2 autres hommes, cet enfant et cet ami. Et l'idée que je voulais faire passer, en appelant le film Le Grand Homme, alors qu'il y a 3 personnages principaux du film, c'est que les 3 ont la capacité et deviennent des grands hommes grâce à la présence des 2 autres.
It might be strange, but the most fun it was when I was playing a dead man, because the situation we had in this on the set at that moment, it's really difficult. Everyone was like really serious, and everyone thought it will be strange and difficult for me to lay there and play a dead man. But in fact, as soon as camera stopped, we started to laugh with Jérémy Régnier.
What kind of roles would you like to play next?
Maybe a bad guy in James Bond movie.
Okay, that would be interesting.
Yes.
Best of luck to you, and congratulations again on the film. Thank you so much for dropping by.